Greetings, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Prince Chakras, the space where we explore the depths of spiritual wisdom and connect with the cosmic energy that surrounds us. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey, one that delves into the art of speaking to the universe correctly. The universe is a vast and mysterious entity, and our ability to communicate with it can have profound effects on our lives. So grab your cosmic journals and get ready to learn how to speak to the universe in a way that aligns with your deepest desires and intentions. But before we dive into the cosmic depths, remember to hit that subscribe button, ring the cosmic bell, and join our community of like-minded souls. Together, we'll illuminate the path to higher consciousness and unlock the doors to a universe waiting to hear your voice. Now, let the cosmic conversation begin. Before we dive into the how, let's first explore the what and why. The universe communicates through energy, vibrations, and frequencies. Understanding this cosmic language is key to effective communication. To decipher the cosmic language, recognize that every thought and emotion sends out a unique vibrational frequency, forming an intricate dialogue with the universe. By understanding this dynamic exchange, we empower ourselves to consciously shape our reality and invite cosmic alignment into our lives. Each thought, emotion, and intention we emit sends out a unique vibrational frequency into the cosmos. The universe responds to these frequencies, shaping our reality in the process. To speak to the universe correctly, we must align our thoughts and intentions with our deepest desires. It's not just about what we say, but the energy behind our words. Remember that the universe responds not only to the words we speak, but to the energy and intention behind them. By consciously aligning your thoughts with positivity and your intentions with authenticity, you become a co-creator with the cosmos, shaping your reality in harmony with the cosmic symphony. Practice daily affirmations and positive thinking. Be mindful of the energy you're putting out into the universe. Remember, like attracts like, so ensure that your vibrations are in harmony with your goals. Visualization is a potent tool in the Cosmic Communication Toolkit. Create a vision board that represents your dreams and aspirations. This visual aid helps you focus your thoughts and sends a clear message to the universe. Immerse yourself in the energy of your aspirations, allowing the universe to resonate with the power of your envisioned reality. When you visualize your goals with clarity and conviction, you're essentially transmitting a powerful signal to the universe, aligning yourself with the energy needed to manifest your desires. Gratitude is a universal language that resonates with the cosmos. Take time each day to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. This not only raises your vibrational frequency, but also attracts more positivity into your existence. The universe listens to the language of the heart. When you speak from a place of genuine gratitude, you open the channels for abundance to flow into your life. Gratitude acts as a powerful catalyst for manifestation, creating a harmonious alignment between your desires and the universal energy. When you express gratitude for what you seek as if it's already present, you send a clear signal to the cosmos, accelerating the manifestation process and inviting abundance into your reality. By consistently expressing gratitude, you not only elevate your own vibrations but also establish a profound connection with the benevolent forces of the universe. In conclusion, mastering the art of speaking to the universe correctly involves understanding the cosmic language, aligning your thoughts, harnessing the power of visualization, and practicing gratitude. May your journey be filled with cosmic connections and the manifestation of your deepest desires. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic exploration. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep your energy aligned and your intentions pure. Sending you love and cosmic blessings.